What's up, guys? So I'm here today to show you the latest jailbreak for iOS 11 to 11.3. This is unc0ver. Here we go. So unc0ver is a brand new jailbreak for iOS 11.0 to 11.4 beta 3. So this will work for all versions of Electra jailbroken devices, including the iPhone 10 here. And this will also replace the jailbreak that is currently on your device, which is really cool because most users don't want to have to go through the process of using like Electra and restoring their device, and something could happen. So this is pretty easy to switch over, and I'm actually going to switch over this device, which is running the Electra jailbreak, over to what this device is now running, the unc0ver jailbreak. You can see that Cydia actually gets an update in this version, and it is also updated for the iPhone 10, so that's really cool. You'll be able to have the full screen. Cydia is also quite a bit quicker. Just from me playing around with it, installing some packages, reloading some repos, it was very snappy, very quick, and it was awesome to see that Cydia has been updated. I'm a big fan of Cydia, and so I'm really glad to see that it will live on the newer devices. Very, very cool. To switch over to this jailbreak, we need to install this jailbreak. So Pwn20 Wind, I hope I'm saying that correctly, or Wind, released this jailbreak as an IPA on GitHub. Now, because it uses the exploits that were available previously for iOS 11.0 to 11.12, you can just install this and run it. It'll work just like Electra did, just a lot more stable. When it comes to 11.2 and up, it's a little different because there's two different exploits that you can use. The one exploit, the VFS exploit, it fails a lot, and most of you are probably using that because it requires just a free developer ID to sign it. Now, there are other ways that you can get the developer version, so the multipath exploit version. And I'm not really going to point those services out because they promote piracy, and I'm not really into the whole app piracy thing. But I did, for you guys, for the purpose of this video, upload it to my website, which is a signed enterprise version that the multipath version will work. So if you head to ched.ca, it is the very first thing you see on the web page here. You just click install and install. So ignore the rest of my stuff here. Not trying to advertise to you guys, no ads, you just click and boom, good to go. So here we go. The application is now installed. If you're already jailbroken like I am, we're going to reboot our device. So once we're rebooted in a non-jailbroken state, you can now open the application. So this is the unc0ver jailbreak. It actually looks similar to other jailbreaks, except down here you have a settings tab and you have quite a few options in here. I'm going to suggest that most users leave the default, everything on just the way it is. The only thing you're going to want to change if you installed this from the website is you want to enable the MP, so the multipath version. So make sure that the multipath version is blue before you do this. If not, you can. It's gonna fail a lot, and it might even fail on the multipath because multipath is not an extremely stable or reliable exploit as well, but it's a lot better than the VFS exploit. So even though I'm jailbroken with Electra, this is going to wipe out all of the jailbreak data from my device, so I will have to reinstall the tweaks. So this is going to probably fail twice, maybe 3 times. I'll skip through it until it works. I promise you guys, it fails, your device will reboot, then you just have to try again. Keep trying, it's definitely worth it in the end. So after you do the first reboot, this is going to get your device ready to wipe all of your jailbreak tweaks and restart with the new jailbreak. So you're going to have to go through the process again. So now we're going to run the second step. This is going to wipe and all of your tweaks and install the new Cydia, and then it'll leave you in a jailbroken state. So we'll be just like on this device now. We've moved over from the Electra jailbreak to the unc0ver jailbreak. So it really is that easy, guys. It's not too hard. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sitting at 25 minutes that I've been sitting here trying to get the jailbreak to actually go. So the biggest hurdle is getting the device to jailbreak. The iOS 11 kernel exploits for 11.2 up to 11.4 beta 3 are just buggy in that sort of way. They're a hit and miss exploit. It's really hard to get them to go. Even the multipath, which here I had fail 7 or 8 times before I actually got this far. I didn't make you guys go through the entire thing here, but we can see now I'm lost all of my jailbreak apps that I had, but I still have Cydia here. And you can see now we have the new Cydia with the new top bar here, and reloads really quickly. Now there is a new default repo instead of the Electra repos. There is another default repo for this, and so any updates you'll get for Cydia or anything in the future, you can just update. You won't have to add any special repos. So there you guys go. That is the unc0ver jailbreak. Really easy to switch over. The only thing is it takes a lot of tries. So I've been reading that there's a lot of people saying, I tried like 8, 9, 10, 11 times and it doesn't work. You just need to be patient, continue to reboot your device. I did notice that if I reboot my device or let it sit for a moment, and when I mean a moment, like a minute or two, sometimes lock the screen, unlock the screen, make sure all the tasks in the background have been completed so that there's nothing running in memory when you open the application. Clear your task switcher. And then last but not least, if you installed this from a signing service or my website, or you have a developer account, make sure you go into the settings and you change from the VFS exploit over to the multipath exploit, which will be way quicker in jailbreaking and succeed a lot easier. If the app isn't available on my website or it doesn't verify, check back later on. I'll try and re-upload it if Apple revokes that application. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you with your jailbreak. I hope you enjoy this jailbreak and it's a lot more stable. I gotta say, I really like the UI here. It reminds me of the Pangu days, and if this jailbreak lives up to what it's supposed to be, being a lot more stable, fast, no battery drain and everything, that'll just be awesome. I'm really glad I never updated to iOS 12. I know a lot of you guys updated to iOS 12, and well, we'll see you next jailbreak. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again soon. Cheers.